London session forecast for the 23rd of the 3rd 2022, which is a Wednesday. GBPJPY 30-minute time frame. A quick review of yesterday, which was Tuesday. I didn't place any trades yesterday. This position was placed on the Monday, which was the 21st. You'll see in my weekly review video already posted my analysis for that, and which worked out to a T, to be honest. We got that pull back down towards this level here, and then I got my entry on the rejection in respect to this level, and then it just smashed through my TP1. Yeah, got me second position up to break even, risk free. I like the way it pushed up, and I sort of made a decision to hold that through the end of the day into Asia. So I held that position right through, and price just rocketed. Yesterday I didn't feel that I needed to enter another position. I just managed this trade up, and with a total of 311 pips, which was amazing. And I got stopped out on this. I was trailing me stop, trailing me position, and this candle here, this bearish pin bar, spiked down and took me out. So yeah, great day. The overall target was this daily wick fill, which I'd marked out here on this dotted line. So close enough. I was happy with that. Then obviously, the end of yesterday, it was more of a range of market coming in towards the end of the day into Asia. We can see a spike up again, long into Asia, consolidation. We got a confirmed higher low, drew me trend line, and we got that trend line break here on this bearish candle, which is not an entry candle for me, because obviously we're fighting against the 50. We're using these MAs as in our favor, not against. So this wasn't an entry for me. We got a respect of the 50 here on this bearish candle, which made me doubt the breaker structure here, and I was thinking, well, we could end up respecting all these levels here and get a push up. So I did have an entry here, you can hardly see. So what happened there, we got an entry, and price just broke down and took me out of that position with a 20 pip stop loss. So then my bias is still then looking at respecting this breaker structure. Come down, we broke the 50 here, so that position, I'm looking for the retracement back to the 8 moving average, which you can see here in the blue line. So we got that, and I got my entry in on the close of that candle, and then straight down, hit me 20 pips to take TP1. My second position, now risk free, is in profit as we speak, and like I say, risk free, so my stops at break even now here. So what we're going to do now is, this will be the only position I take. This is the second position of the day. I won't be taking any more positions, but I'll manage this current open position if it does come down, and we can review that again tomorrow. Well worth you taking a look at my previous video, which is the powerful high lower low strategy. You'll understand when we get these confirmations and breaker structure. Well worth looking at that. And if you can, please like the videos, it helps, and subscribe, and even better, share. Look forward to doing the video in the morning. More review today and forecast for tomorrow.